how to fix Face ID problems after iOS 26.2 update. So if you want to fix your Face ID problems after iOS 26.2 update, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. From there, you need to scroll down, go with Face ID and password. Enter your password. After that, scroll down a bit again, and you will have an option of Reset Face ID. Tap on Reset Face ID. And for that, if it says you need to turn off your stolen device protection to reset your Face ID, then you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of stolen device protection. If not, you can go with search for stolen device protection, and here you need to go and turn it off. But if it says you need to wait 1 hour or you may have a delay, then you just need to simply go and wait for 1 hour and come back and turn off your stolen device protection, and then go back and go with your Face ID and password and come back to the same interface. So you can't reset your Face ID directly. The only solution in this case is to back up your iPhone either to your PC, Mac, or your iCloud. Then perform a full factory reset. Once your device is erased and set up as new, you can restore your backup and reconfigure Face ID from scratch. Unfortunately, there's no alternative method if stolen device protection is preventing Face ID from resetting. Apple introduced stolen device protection as an added security measure, which is great for keeping your data safe, but it can sometimes create roadblocks while troubleshooting Face ID problems. So by following these steps, you'll be able to regain full functionality of your Face ID and keep your device secure. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.